Hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome to KLS Gupte PU College of Commerce and Science. Our institution is one of the leading institutions in the North Karnataka to provide quality and employability oriented education in the field of commerce and science. Myself, Professor S.B. Vendigeri, Department of Economics, taking online classes for PUC first year commerce students. Before going to start these online classes, dear students, I welcome you all to this esteemed institution on behalf of my esteemed management, principal, and on my personal behalf. Due to global emergency, that is COVID-19 pandemic, which has become the global issue at present, as per the government instructions, we are going to take online classes. Dear students, in this first online class, let us have a look on the syllabus of the economic subject for PUC first year commerce. Economic subject has two important parts. First part is statistics for economics. It has 9 units down this. Unit number 1 is introduction. Second unit is collection of data. Third one is organization of data. Fourth unit is presentation of data. Unit number 5, that is measures of central tendency. Sixth unit is measures of dispersion. Dear students, unit number 7 is correlation. Eighth unit is index numbers. And ninth and last unit is use of statistical tools. Now coming to the second part of the economics, that is Indian economic development. That is the title of the second part of economics. Again, it has 9 units down this. Unit number 1 is Indian economy on the eve of independence. Second unit is Indian economy since 1950 to 1990. Dear students, third unit is LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. Fourth unit is poverty. Unit number 5 is human capital formation in India. Sixth unit is rural development. Seventh unit is employment growth, information and other issues. Unit number 8 is infrastructure. Ninth and last unit of the second part, that is Indian economic development, is environment and sustainable development exercise. This is all about the syllabus of the economic subject for PUC first year commerce. Dear students, now let us have a look on the question paper pattern of this subject. Whatever you had question paper at your high school level, that is different. And for PUC first year, you have again different question paper pattern, that is yearly pattern. Here, there are total of 5 sections. Section A, Section B, Section C, Section D and E. In the first section, that is A, you have 4 parts. First part carries 5 multiple choice questions. Second part contains 5 fill in the blanks questions. Third part again carries 5 match the following questions. Fourth part of the first section is again you are going to attempt 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Coming to the section B, second section of the question paper pattern, section B. Here, these parts are continued as in the section A. Here, after 4th part of section A, now coming to part 5, 5th part, In the fifth part, in section B, you are having 6 questions and out of 6 you are attempting 4 questions. You have to answer any 4 out of 6 questions. Each question carry 2 marks. Sixth part of the second section is, there are 7 questions, dear students. You are facing only 5 questions out of it. You have to answer any 5 out of 7 questions, and again each questions carry 2 marks. Coming to section C, again the section B parts are continued here. Part number 7 in section C. You have to answer any 3 questions out of 5. Each question carries 4 marks. Coming to part 8 of the section C. Answer any 4 out of 6. Here each question carries 4 marks again. Dear students, coming to section D. Section D has 2 parts. Again parts are continued. Part 9, in the 9th part, you have to answer any 2 questions out of 3. Each question carries 6 marks here. And next part of the section D is, you have to answer any 2 again out of 3 questions. Each question carries 6 marks. Coming to the last section of the question paper pattern of economics, that is section E, which is called as project oriented question. In this project oriented question, you have to answer any 2 questions out of 3. 3 questions will be given in the question paper. Out of that 3, you have to attempt any 2, and each question carry 5 marks. This is all about question paper pattern of the PUC first year commerce. With this, we stop today's online class discussions. The continued part of this same class will have in the next online class. Till then, take care, wear mask, maintain social distancing, take care of yourself and your family. Thank you very much.